Hello there YouTube, how are you? I had to show you this Amazon bargain. Let's get into it. Herself found this on Amazon and it was too cheap to pass up. £6.49, half price in the lightning sale. It's back up to £13 something now, but I'll post a link and you just keep an eye on it, and it might go down again because they said they have more on the way. At that money, too good to pass up. So, what do we get? A couple of screws, because it's wall mountable. It's 5-port, and it's a Gigabit switch. Alright, so it's 5 volt. You can see that there, 5 volt, 1 amp. So you could power that from your PC if you wanted to. Mini USB job. A test sequence. So let's see, does it work? Yep, it's connected.
This episode of Spectre Sound Studios is brought to you by Pro Mix Academy. Don't forget to check out the amazing 4th of July weekend sale for some incredible deals. Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Friday. That means it's time for SMG Viewers Comments. Let's get...
Alright, so it works. £6.49. So it got it here for around €10. It's free delivery in the UK, and for those who might not be aware, if you're in AI you can use the Parcel Motel, which gives you an address in Northern Ireland, so you'll get it that far for free, and it'll cost you just under €4 to get it to the south. And they have it's a locker type system. They're behind petrol stations and things like that, so you just get a text to your phone telling you that you have a parcel there, and it gives you a PIN number, and you go and punch in your phone number and then punch in the PIN number that they give you, and the locker opens. So it's quite handy. You have 48 hours to collect it, which is very, very good. So let's just have a look at what size this thing is, just to let you know. So it's let's say 4.5 inches long, 3 inches deep, and 1 inch at the highest part. It's a desktop job, and it's Gigabit as well, so quite good. For that money you'd be mad to pass it up. So I don't have any particular use for it at the moment, so I'll just put it away, and if a need ever arises for the use of it, we will do that. So quite pleased with that. So I'll post a link in the description to that, and you can keep an eye on it, as it could go back to $6.49 again. Okay, this is Georgie I7 Kilo Oscar. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. 7-3, all the best.